Hi everyone, I'm Dr.A.Saravanakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS B-Spine, SNS Institutions. Today we are going to discuss important topic, key elements of strategic planning. So without planning, we can't do anything. So we already discussed vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal. One's vision for the business is where we imagine it will be at the future date. So to be in that long run, we have decided. So a mission statement defines what an organization is, why it exists, its reason for being. That is a mission. Objectives, a business objective is a detailed picture of a step you plan to take in order to achieve a set aim. Strategies, a business strategy is the mean by which it sets out to achieve its desired ends, objectives. It can simply be described as a long-term business planning. Action plans. An action plan is a document that lists what steps must be taken in order to achieve a specific goal. The purpose of an action plan is to clarify what resources are required to reach the goal and to formulate a timeline to complete the specific task. So these are the key elements of strategic planning. So what is sales strategy? So sales strategy is covered under that sales knowledge, market knowledge, company knowledge, customer knowledge, science metrics, skills, art. So these are the covered under the sales strategy. A sales strategy is a plan by a business or individual on how to go about selling products and services and increasing profit. The objective of a good sales strategy is to get yourself in the right place with the right people at the right time. Strategic selling begins with understanding your company's strategy, vision, and distinctiveness, and then selecting high profile customers. It also includes prioritizing the concern of the buyer and making a sale with the aim of creating long-term relationship with the customer. In order for a business to effectively use strategic selling techniques, the personnel need to maintain integrity as they present special features of a product and ensure they follow up on promises made to the customer. So these are the sales strategy to sell the product to the customer. So what are the steps for effective sales strategy? Map out your client journey pre and post sale. So after you sold the product, you sell the product to the customer, you sold. After that, you will get the feedback about the particular product. So map out the client journey pre and post sale. Understand what you do currently. Brainstorm how that could be refined to reduce cost of sale and increase client satisfaction. Once you have identified your most profitable sales process, think about how this integrates with your marketing to attract and gain return sales value of your ideal client, something we call your client avatar. Think about your target customer. Decide on the singularly key sales activity that if consistently applied in your business for the next 90 days would lead to a step change in your organization's growth. Assign resource and refine your process to include this activity and monitor it on an ongoing basis. For example, add it as recurring agenda point to your regular sales meetings. So these are the steps for effective sales strategy. So determining strategic plan for long-term objectives. So basic steps to determine strategic plan for long-term objectives. Step 1, create a strategic plan that includes a list of all long-term business objectives. It includes increasing profit by a certain percentage, expanding the business by hiring new employees, or moving to larger facility or increasing the number of products and services currently offered. Step 2, support each long-term objective with smaller short-term objectives. For example, if you want to increase business profit by 3% over the next 5 years, list several short-term objectives such as updating your website to accept online sales, conducting market research to find new target market and reducing overhead cost by a specific percentage. Measure the success of short-term objectives to ensure that these objectives effectively help reach long-term objectives. For example, if you update your website to generate online sales, but overall sales have not increased over the last sales quarter, you may need to determine ways to attract more online customers. Evaluate the strategic plan each year to see if you need to readjust long-term objectives Unfortunately, long-term objectives that seem necessary now may no longer be necessary in a year or two. Make changes to these objectives accordingly. So setting the account strategy, PDCA, plan, do, check, act. There are 4 steps to set an effective account strategy. Analyze your current position with regard to your account and with regard to your specific sales objective. Think through possible alternative positions. Determine which alternate position would best secure your objective and devise an action plan to achieve it. Implement your action plan. That is the plan, do, check, act. First, you have to plan. Then, whether it will be ready, you can do it. Whether it will be right or wrong, you can check it. Finally, you are going to implement. So, these are the steps for accounting strategy. So, what is the conclusion for that sales strategy? Establish a clear and meaningful strategic planning process. Engage all levels of employees to ensure success. Use an innovation process for all new product development and service delivery. Create projects to manage the strategies and prioritize all of these projects to ensure they are properly resourced. Reshape the organizational culture to be more adaptive to the changes the strategic plan requires. So these are the things covered under that sales strategy. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.